I woke up this morning, got it, started cleaning the room, make sure everything's clear, there's no one tripping over, everything's safe, no mishaps can happen, because we got to put up that ceiling rose.
Ceiling rose is going up today.
The old ceiling rose we kept, but I knew it was going to take an army to get it up, so I was like, oh, should we just buy one? But it was $5,000 to recreate.
When we first walked into House 2, that was the one thing, the ceiling rose, that I looked at and was in awe of.
Look at that history, man. Look at that.
I love that ceiling rose.
Quite nice.
It came down effortlessly. Well, not really, like there was a couple of guys bringing it down.
Very slowly. Okay. It wasn't effortlessly, it was a very hard, tedious job. Ladder, ladder.
But it came down in one piece,
yeah.
right? And we've preserved it for so long. We've had like a do not disturb sort of scenario going on with this ceiling. It had its own room.
It took up its own room.
Yeah, we've had our own guest in the house, so...
Start charging it rent.
Yeah.
How nervous are you going to be when you're watching it go up?
Very nervous. Okay, watch the top. That's it. Beautiful.
This thing is finally going up.
Straight into the walk-in. Maybe boss go there, that way. It took 6 of us to get it out of my little beach hut into the room at first. I hired 2 Kennard hire hoists to get it up. So we put them in, built some timber braces.
One couldn't be up higher than the other because it would crack. It was
So fragile.
It is a very tedious task.
Easy. And just that first lift to get it up, I was like, oh God, what's happening?
I'm gonna vomit.
What if it breaks? I will be shattered.
George, just shut up.
All right.
Please don't break.
Yeah.
Please don't break. Please don't break. Please don't break.
Very nervous. Oh.
Oh my God.
That's pretty close.
Oh, Jesus!
I thought it cracked. My anus just shut. Very historic watching a 80-year-old ceiling rose go up. It's actually made me very warm inside because it's been an effort to take her down, take care of her, make sure no one treads on her. But when it finally went up, I was euphoric. It was beautiful.
You are so beautiful.
Wow. I forgot how nice it was. And big.
Like, it just blows my mind that this ceiling rose was in this house 80 years ago when I wasn't even born. I didn't even think my dad was born.
No, he wouldn't have, babe. He's 60.
There you go.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Thank you. That's amazing.
Yeah, it is. It's good.
It's amazing. I think it's going to make the house. When someone who is a buyer who walks through our home and sees that there's an original part of the house still in there, I think that's priceless.